Alright gang, so as y'all can see, we're back at the house, man. It is a couple of days later. As you guys can see, I got an edge up from the last video or whatnot, but I basically had to let everything settle in as far as what I got going on. We did get rid of the 2006 Crown Victoria. That was a big step to actually do that, man. As you guys know, I love Crown Vics, man. As you guys can see, we're never getting rid of the bat. So don't worry about that, but this may be a channel giveaway in the future, man, depending on how far we get. But as far as actually selling the car, no, it's not for sale. I don't care how much money somebody brings to me for the car, it's just not for sale. You know, it just has a lot of sentimental value to me. The car got me from, I mean, the ridiculous places that, and I mean, the car held up, man. So I mean, and then everything that I've done to the vehicle myself, just to make it my own taste and my own flavor in a vehicle, is just where it is today, man. I just can't get rid of the car. But with that being said, man, I know there was a drastic change in my voice and stuff, but yo, we got the new car to the channel. You guys can already hear it started up. I mean, it's stock exhaust, so she's gonna be kind of quiet, but man, you guys are not gonna be disappointed when I turn this camera around. I'm in love. This car ain't going nowhere either. I'm gonna have this car longevity now, unless it give me a freak ton of issues and it's just so expensive to where I just can't handle it no more. But even if it get to that point, man, we're gonna make ends meet with it and we're gonna hold on to this car. But without further ado, man, that's my favorite saying. Let's check it out. Yeah, man. 2011 Mercedes Benz AMG Mercedes, man. 550 horsepower. This is the performance package, performance carbon fiber series package. Now, they made a limited amount of these cars, man, and I was lucky to get my hands on this one. We ended up purchasing this. I found this car online and I was like, man, I got to have it. They only had it listed for like 2 days and I seen like it was like thousands of views on it. So I wound up going to them and ended up having to cop this car, man. This joker is crazy, man. It's insane. It is the carbon fiber series 2011 E63 Mercedes Benz AMG. And when I tell y'all, man, this car is super freaking fast. To be how big it is, man, she is insane. Yo, I just love the, all right, so the best part about the car, man, to me, I like the grill and everything. You know, the grill looks good, but I'm in love with this carbon fiber rear diffuser. I'll let you guys see it from the rear as well, but as you guys can see, it is carbon fiber. But man, look at this thing on the rear. Good God almighty, man. It is insane. You guys got to see it in person, man. Look, it actually pokes out a little bit further than the car, but man, it is insane in person. I will tell you that. So you guys getting the outside shot of the car. As you guys can see, it got the big boy sunroof, and it has a panoramic in the back as well. So let's get in the car, man. I'ma just through a couple of things right now on this video, and then I'll give you guys a more in-depth and actually driving footage and the power of this car, man, as far as driving footage with the car next video. But as you guys can see, it is the carbon series, man. It has carbon all around the car, even on the back. And then, I mean, man, look, just the interior, man. Look, I'm rubbing my hand across it. You can just tell what it is, man. Oh man, it is sick when I tell you guys. So you guys can see I got comfort, sport, sport plus, and manual mode. And RS is basically like a launch control. So I'll show you guys a sequence of that as well. It has a traction control button, has a dampener which stiffens the suspension, and it has the AMG button, which basically wherever I set it at, it memorizes that. If I want to come back up in the car and race or something, I can just push this button wherever I got it set to race or whatever, man. But I mean, everything is just in immaculate condition, man. Let's take a look at the sunroof, man. It's like almost like a drop top. It's just so big. And then I'm gonna pull it forward so you guys can see the panoramic. But yeah, this is the back, so you guys can see that the roof go all the way to the back. Let's pull it forward. It's automatic, you know, as soon as you push the button or whatever. But you guys can see the panoramic. I'm trying to get the camera to adjust right, man. I'm just super excited. Can't even get the camera right, but yeah, that's how she look. And then also you push the button again, boom, she got the visors on both sides. They give you the shade. Man, this car has so many options. Pedal shift, 200 on the dash. The car has 109,000 miles on it. Not bad at all. Everything is clean. Let me show you guys. I had to get my little mask up out of there, but no rips or tears in the seats or anything, man. Hey, massaging seats. And the seats do like a ton more. Like I said, next video I'll give you guys more in depth about this car. But you know, just a little gist for now. Man, so much room in the back. Now this is where my seat sits. As you guys can see, it is back pretty far. And I'm 6'2", 6'2 and a half, something like that, man. And I mean, there's still tons of room in the back. And here's the panoramic roof with the sunshade on it. When I pull it back, man, it's just straight clear glass. And look at the top, man. It's the same material as the front. It just feels so good. No rips, no tears or nothing in the seats, man. AMG wheels, AMG big boy brakes on the front and the back. Infotainment system with Bluetooth, navigation, the whole nine. But like I said, we'll go through this car a lot more. 550 horsepower, I think close to 500 and some foot-pound torque. And this is the new channel car, man. We will be doing work to this car as well. This is not just gonna stay stock like this, so you guys make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But we had to boss up. We had to boss up for a minute there, man. We was getting all older cars. Yo, we still doing work to everything. I'm keeping my Mustang, man. I'm keeping it. You can barely find these Mustangs now. And then when you do find them, folks are charging so much for them. So I'm gonna hold on to the Stain, and we're still pro charging it. Pro charge is still on the way. We're still gonna do that. Paint it, interior, the whole nine. I'm thinking about putting a 50 shot of NOS on this car, maybe 100 shot, because I do have internal work on the car as far as like heads, cam and stuff, but nothing bottom end. But it should still sustain 50 to 100 shot of nitrous. I may just go 50. Like I said, it's really not a race car or nothing, but I mean, it fits the look. If I want to get up on the power, boom, I got it there at my fingertips. So you guys stay tuned for that as well. But yeah, man, this right here is the newly added car to the channel. She is a freaking animal. Next footage of the car will be drivability footage, how fast she is, everything inside and out, everything the car has to offer, man. Like I said, this is the performance carbon fiber pack E63 Mercedes Benz, and man, I mean, I couldn't ask for anything more in a car. This is my dream car, guys. This is my dream car, and I've acquired it. You guys put y'all mind to anything, man, and you guys can accomplish that. I never thought that I would be in a vehicle like this, never. Look, boom, one button, visor back, hit it again, she slides all the way on top of the car. Man, love it, love it. AMG wheels. I may go different wheels, but I do like these AMG wheels, and I like how she's sitting. She's also lowered. Like I said, yo, we're gonna go through the car. I don't want to give y'all too much today, because then I need a separate video just going through the car. I don't want to make this video too long. But like I said, we did get the car when we went to Lenore. I did have my friend come with me, and he was like, hey man, you need this. He was like, you need to get this car. He was like, this is a must-have. Like, when we just got in it, man, I mean, sheesh. I love it. I love it, guys. This is something different. It's not like every other car on the road that you get for speed and power, man. This is in a bracket on its own, 550 horsepower, man. This thing is a beast. I think like 3,900 pounds. It's not a heavy car. I mean, it is as far as sport car wise, but she's not heavy to be a four-door sedan, so you can still travel with your family and do your thing. So yeah, man, that's gonna conclude this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys are happy with the purchase, man. A lot of mods coming soon. We need to make that more than 550 horsepower. I'm trying to get up there like 650, maybe 700, so we can run this thing on the track a couple of times, man, because that's what she's built for. She's an AMG. She's a sports luxury sedan, and we need that. But yeah, man, Two Time Moto TV out. Make sure y'all subscribe, smash that like button on this video, man, if you guys enjoyed it, and make sure y'all comment below if you guys got any questions. Get one of these cars as soon as you can, because they're trying to come out with 4-cylinder AMGs, and that's just, I mean, when you're coming from a V8, a good sounding V8, then you go into a 4-cylinder or a 6-cylinder with like turbos and stuff, man. Like, I mean, that's just the edge that we're coming in, even like electric cars. So yeah, man, get y'all hands on one as soon as y'all can, because these things gonna go up in value. Two Time Moto TV out, and until next time, peace.